Are you on the vacations and looking for the best restaurant to have dinner with your family? Then watch this video. We have created the list of finest restaurants in the city with the help of foodies group and our users feedback. If you have a suggestion for different listing for the city, do write us in the comment area. For more information, you can log on to our website, that is travelshastra.com. This one is my best among the listing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, click on like button. Please check out our latest video uploaded for you and a video that you may like. Once again, please subscribe our YouTube channel.